Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another sneak peek video for you today, and this is for Victorian Varnish February 2025 releases. We will have Cog of the Month, 2-year anniversary limited edition polishes, her February special edition polishes, and also the Valentine's limited edition polishes. This is going to be a jam-packed video that you do not want to miss out on these goodies. If you like live swatches and reviews, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we have the Cog of the Month, and this is Tales of Passion. They will be $12 each, and it comes with a collectible sticker, which I'll show momentarily. These are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. This is described as a lilac crelly base with pink to peach gold aurora shimmer and UCC micro flakies, ranging in purple, red, blue, and scattered holo flakies. And this is the collectible sticker. Isn't this cute? I wanted to zoom out so you can see how big the stickers are up against my hand, and you can see it has that bling factor effect in this particular sticker. Such a cutie. Next up, we're going to have 2 years anniversary limited edition polishes, which will be $12 each. The first one is Gleaming Gears for 2 years, which is a sheer gridge to purple base with a bright purple to blue shifting shimmer. Very cute, y'all. And this is the showstopper here. Tinkering for 2 years, which is a magnetic. You know I love magnetics. This is a deep base with a stunning bright blue to purple magnetic with kaleidoscope of aurora holo flakes. When magnetized, reveal even more of a shift in them. And this is, look how it glows, y'all. Mesmerizing. So pretty. Even when you open the bottle, just goodness in a bottle. I was so ecstatic when I found out this was magnetic. And I just even wanted to show you how easily that magnetic pull is with this particular polish. Look at there. And look at how it glows, y'all. Ooh, so freaking pretty. Showstopper. Next, we have the February special edition polishes. This is Like You A-Lotl LE limited edition. Comes with a collectible sticker while supplies last. This is a pink crelly base with intense golden glowy aurora shimmer, holo flakies, and micro UCC flakies in purple, red, and gold. And this is inspiration is provided by Miss Camellia, polish book lover's daughter. So this is a beautiful polish. Now, next up is the collectible sticker that goes with this polish. And here is that sticker. I also wanted to show you how it looks up close, and also with how it looks against my hand, how big they are. This one does not have that bling effect. Next is another showstopper, Hypnotized. This one is a follow-up one to our first release, which is Hypnotic. It's a multi-chrome fantasy that shifts green to teal to blue to purple to pink with a smattering of linear holo and holo flakies. Y'all, when I saw this one and Tinkering for 2 years are my favorites out of this. Oh my gosh. And I couldn't stop playing with it here, y'all. Look at the shifts, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. Next is the Valentine's limited edition Heartbeats Cupid's Remix Valentine's Day Trio. They're $11 each or $30 for the trio. Inspired by Polish _Ada _hand and some of both of our favorite song choices for Valentine's Day. The first one is Cold Hearted Thermal. It's a navy blue cold state to clear and warm state with large particle aurora blue shimmer. And this is inspired by Paul Abdul's Cold Hearted Snake song. Next is Peach of My Heart, which is also a thermal. This is a hot pinky almost red cold state to clear and warm state with a glowy red to violet aurora shimmer. And this is inspired by Janis Joplin's Piece of My Heart. This is another beauty. I love that red violet aurora shimmer in it. And I was trying to show. There it is. There it is. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And the next one is Shattered Glass Heart, which is a magnetic topper. It's silver magnetic with a gorgeous finish and striking silver metallic flakies that pops once magnetized. This is a sheer base magnetic. It can be used as a topper over a polish, and this is inspired by Blondie's Heart of Glass. You can see those metallic flakies pulling up. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And I kept playing with it. I was mesmerized with it, and I forgot to even open the bottle so y'all can see it, y'all. This is, and as you can see here, I had to look at it again and magnetize it again. Look, look, look. It was so, I was shaking it up and I wanted to magnetize it again, and look at that. Oh, so pretty. So I forgot. She also has a little something new for the special 2 years. She has her pen and post-it note set. They will be $8, so you'll save $1. But the pens are $5, and the post-it notes will be $4. So you get a little stack here, and you guys, let me tell you, my daughter saw that pen and she said, "Mama, when you get through displaying it, can I have it?" And I'm like, wait a minute. You won't give me a chance to play with it first. She already peeped it out and wants my set. So should I give it to her, y'all? And so I decided, I'm not a big ballpoint pen fan, but I wanted to play with it and write with it to see how it performs. It's smooth, y'all. I don't like ballpoint pens. I'm more of a gel person, but it's smooth, y'all. Really nice. So let me know if you like this content. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. Make sure you leave a comment on which one you like the most, which one you can't wait to see me swatch. Stay tuned for the swatches because you know that's coming up. Also, share this with your polish family and friends. I'll see you in the next video, and you know what to say. Remember to allow the man to take hold and watch the magic appear.